Let's check out the ingredients first. Matar, paneer, tomato, onion, garlic and some cashews if available at home. First let's grind these three ingredients, tomato, onion and garlic. I have taken this size 3 tomatoes, a medium size 3 tomatoes for this and 1 medium size of onion chopped. Let's grind them together first. It's a Jhatpat recipe. There is no saute of these ingredients like frying of onion and tomato and garlic together. Neither there is no frying of the paneer. And when you're grinding these things, just grind it for half. Then you can add cashews while grinding. Let's do it. Our grinded puree is ready. Let's go for cooking. Here I have taken a small pressure cooker where I am going to heat up the oil. Let's add cumin, some HING, after HING, let's put the mixed puree. Be careful. Then allow it to boil for 1 or 2 minutes. Once a small boil comes, then go on adding the spices. Chilli powder, Jeera powder, dhania powder, Garam masala, Turmeric or Haldi. Let's give it a quick stir. Now, as you see, it's well cooked. Let's put some water and allow it to boil for 1 minute. And sometimes it's not even needed when you're in a hurry to keep it for boil. You can just go on adding the items since we are going to pressure cook all of them together. Now next we are going to add peas, paneer, and that's it. Just put 1 whistle and your paneer will be ready. Just wait for 1 whistle. Good recipe to take it for the lunch for the kids with the puri or dosa in the mornings. Just wait for 1 whistle and you're done. Our Matar Paneer is ready. Just see the paneer, how well cooked it is. Since we have pressure cooked, we have not sauteed the paneer before, so it's a one pot recipe. Let's put coriander on the top for some dressing. It looks amazing. The aroma over here is great. Have it with puri or chapatis. I hope you all will try the recipe at your home. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.